girls, it's Mrs. Littlefield and Isabel. And we wanted to read the second book that you guys chose. It's called Sam's Science, I Know How We Fight Germs. It's written by Kate Rowan, and it's illustrated by Catherine McEwen. And this is a cute book that I used to read to Jack and Campbell when they were really, really young. Achoo! Sam sneezed a huge sneeze. Sam, said Mom, that's gross. Don't you have a tissue? And she pulled one out of her pocket and wiped his nose. Thanks, said Sam, and he sneezed again. Achoo! Ugh, you have a cold, said Mom. Are you getting the pictures?
I am.
All right. I want it clear so everybody can see.
I'm trying.
I know, said Sam, and I know why colds make me sneeze. When I sneeze, I'm blowing cold germs out of my body. That's what's inside this sneeze tissue. You certainly are, said Mom. That's how cold germs spread to other people, and why you need to catch your sneeze in a tissue. If someone else breathes in your cold germs, they might get a cold too. Oh, said Sam. Is that how I got this cold? Look at this little girl sneezing. Achoo, and all her cold germs are coming all over everybody. Probably, said Mom. I suppose you caught it from someone at school. Are you zooming in on the dog?
No.
Okay. We studied germs at school, said Sam. My teacher said you can sneeze them a really long way. She said you can sneeze them as far as 10 yards. Ooh, that is a long way, said Mom. That's as far as 3 elephants can stand in a line. So look, if he sneezed here, it would go all the way over there. Sam giggled. I wouldn't like to be near an elephant when it sneezed. Oh, look, this elephant has a cold because he's got a red trunk. Achoo! Sam peered at his tissue. Okay, that's gross. Look, he's got blood. That's nasty. You can't see germs, can you? No, said Mom. They're too tiny. Even the biggest ones are so small that you could fit hundreds of thousands of them on the tip of your thumb. That's a lot. You can see germs only if you look at them under a microscope. That's what this is. Sam sniffed. Ugh, I bet I've got 1,000,000 germs inside me. Billions, said Mom. But not all germs make us sick, and when they do, our bodies try to fight them off. So it sounds like some germs are okay. I know, said Sam. I've got something in my body that fights germs. That's right, said Mom. About half of your blood is water, but there are also lots of things in it called cells, red ones and white ones. And there are other parts of cells called platelets too. So look at the picture. We have water. That's about half of your body, of your blood is made up of water. Then you have red blood cells and white blood cells, platelets, and all of that together equals the blood in your body.
Wow.
There are? Asked Sam. Is that why blood is red? Because of the red blood cells? Mom nodded. And the white blood cells are the ones that kill the germs. They make special chemicals, and then they zap the cold germs with chemicals that kill them. Look at this little white blood cell zapping all the germs. Gotcha. Cool, said Sam. Germ busters to the rescue. And he sneezed again. Achoo! You should put your coat on, said Mom. Keeping warm helps your body fight colds. Okay, said Sam. Okay, this one is a chicken pox germ right here. But cold germs aren't the only bad germs, are they? Because when I had the chicken pox, the doctor said I caught the chicken pox germs. Yes, he did, said Mom. That's because there are a lot of different germs. They all do different things, and scientists divide them into groups. One group is called viruses, and cold germs and chickenpox germs are both viruses. And then they have the other germs. Are you getting the pictures too, Campbell?
Oh, I am.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I remember, said Sam. There are some germs called back something too. Bacteria, said Mom. They're another germ group. Bacteria live on all kinds of things, but they especially love dirt. So if you eat dirty food or if you don't wash your hands before meals, bad bacteria can get in your body. That's gross.
Mm-hmm.
Sam wiped his nose. Do white blood cells zap the back things too? They do kill them, but not by zapping. When bad bacteria get into your blood, the white blood cells come along and gobble them up. Ugh! Yuck, said Sam. Germ munchers to the rescue! Ta-da! There's Ivy. Do you see Ivy? That's Ivy Louise. She's sitting in the basket.
Oh, and Isabel.
And Oliver's over there. How do you know about bacteria anyway? Asked Mom. Sam showed her the scab on his elbow. When I fell down at school, my teacher washed the dirt off and sprayed some stingy stuff on the cut. She said it was for the back things. Bacteria, said Mom. Yeah, said Sam. She said they might get into the cut. The spray helps to kill them, and then a scab grows to keep them out. She said scabs are made when blood gets all sticky and hard. That's where the platelets come in, explained Mom. The parts of cells I was telling you about. Scabs are made by billions of platelets and red blood cells clumping and lumping together. All right, so look at this picture here. You have, this is your blood vessel, right? And then this is the skin on the outside. So like this is your elbow right here, right? And when you have a cut, all of the red blood cells and platelets are floating around in here, and they all go and combine right here to help scab over so that new germs don't come into that cut area. And the white blood cells help to fight the infection. Pretty cool, huh?
Very.
Yeah, said Sam. And when the skin's healed, the scab falls off. And that's why you need to keep cuts clean and not to pick at scabs before they're ready to come off by themselves, said Mom, so the bad bacteria don't get in. I know, said Sam, but I like picking up at scabs. Gross, that's gross. Oh, look, this is Castle Elbow, so that's his elbow, supposedly. And all the germs are trying to get in, but the S, which must stand for scab, they're fighting him off and not letting him into his elbow.
I see. It's a helpful picture.
Mm-hmm. Not all bacteria are bad, though, said Mom. You have good bacteria living inside you all the time, helping to keep you healthy. And some food has good bacteria in it, too, like yogurt and cottage cheese. There are even bacteria that help make good soil. Do we have good soil? Asked Sam. Yes, said Mom. That's why we grow such great vegetables. Sam sighed. Like spinach, you mean? That's right, said Mom. Achoo! She sneezed a huge sneeze. Mom, said Sam, that's gross. Don't you have a tissue? Ta-da! And look at his cute little picture he drew. White blood cells, zap. Bacteria, and viruses. The end.